identities chapter. Identity chapter is all about formulas. It's an algebraic chapter. Okay? And first formula, you have to memorize all the formulas. Then it will be easy for you to solve the sums. My first formula will be a plus b the whole square, which means a plus b into a plus b. So what is the answer? It's very easy. Memorize this formula. This will be used for 3-4 years continuously or maybe more. Okay? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Same thing. If this is a minus sign and not a plus sign, then it will be a square plus b square, because minus into minus is plus, so plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. Okay, these two formulas are the base formulas for this chapter. Next, after this, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Very easy. Just answer is a square minus b square. If you remember these formulas, it will be just a minute's work to solve the sums. So please remember them. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Next, a plus b plus c the whole square. Now what is the answer? It is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. Okay? Now there is one more formula where this will be a minus sign. It will be minus c. A plus b minus c the whole square, which means multiply it twice. So answer is a square plus b square. This will be plus c square, because minus into minus is plus c square, then plus 2 into ab minus bc minus CA. So actually how it is done is, you can also do it as, if you find this difficult to remember, because there are changes in the sign, you can just write plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Why this is plus and these two are minus? Because only c is negative. Because only c is negative, c exists here and here. So these two are negative. Here there is no c, so it is positive. Okay? These are the formulas to be remembered. A plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Go slow, listen to the video again and again slowly. A plus b plus c the whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab, bc and ca. Okay? Then a plus b minus c the whole square. It's a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Okay? That's it. Now we'll do some sums where we have to find out the values. How and where these formulas are used, I'll show you in those sums. My first sum is 0.5 minus 2a into 0.5 plus 2a. So what will this remind you? Minus and plus, same digits. So this reminds you of the formula a plus b into a minus b, which equals to a square minus b square. So this is how the formula save your time. I don't need to multiply them. I'll straight away use this formula. So when a square, what is this? 0.5. 0.5 square is how much? 0.25. Minus sign, because here is a minus sign. Then b square. 2a into 2a is how much? 4a square. So this is my answer. Over. The sum is done. Now next sum, second sum. X minus 2 into x plus 2. Again I have to use the same formula. X minus 2 into x plus 2. So it will be x square. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 4. Now x square minus 4 into, this there is one third bracket here. So I am using the third bracket now. X square plus 4. Okay, so now this into this. Again, they are same digits here. So again I am using the same formula. X square into x square is x to the power of 4. Then plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16. This is my final answer. What I have done, I have used only this a square minus b square. This is a, this is b. I just did the square of them and wrote the answer. Here, this is a, this is b. I did the square, I wrote the answer. Now, in my next line, I took this bracket down. Then I have 1 and 2 brackets here. Again, this is a, this is b. Okay, because they are same digits. A square I wrote here, b square I wrote here. This is my final answer. That's it. So easy. Now let's do one sum in different method for different formula. Okay, 107 into 93. 107 into 93. How will I do this sum? Using the formula. The question says find out the answer using the formula. So what formula can I use for this? 107. 100 plus 7 is 107. 100 minus 7 is 93. So I am using here 100 plus 7 and 100 minus 7. Which formula I am using here? A plus b into a minus b. The answer is a square minus b square. This is a and this is b. This becomes a for me, this is b for me. So 100 square is 10,000. Then I put a minus sign here because a square minus b square. So minus b. 7 square is 49. Now 10,000 minus 49 I have to do. So how much it will be? 10 minus 9 is 1. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. Then 9. This is my final answer. So this sum became very easy because of the formula. I didn't need to multiply them. I just had to do this. And how I got this? By doing this. This is my working column. Okay? Now my third sum. Third or fourth sum. Okay. A plus 1 by 2a the whole square. What was the other formula? A plus b the whole square. What was the answer? If anyone remember? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay? I have to use this formula over here. So this is my a, this is b, this whole fraction is b. So what will I write? A square is a square. In place of b I will write 1 by 2a the whole square. So 2a will be 2 into 2 4, a into a 4 a square. So 4a square plus 2ab. 2 into, I write it in the bracket, a into 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a because b is 2a. Now here I can cancel 2, a. Everything is cancelled. What is left? Only 1 is left. So my answer is a square plus 1 by 4a square plus 1. This is my final answer. Please do not get confused when there are fractions. Use the same formula. But by multiplying, you see if there are any cancellation, if you can simplify this up. So AB, I could simplify it and the final thing is only 1. So this is my final answer for this side. Okay? Now my next sum. I also got you the formula of A plus B minus c the whole square. What was the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Now this is my question. 5 minus x plus 2x, the whole square. Here I am changing the format. How will I change? I will write 5 plus 2 by x minus x. Instead of writing x here, I am writing it here. So I can use this formula here. Okay, the whole square. Now what will be my answer? A square, 5 is a. So a square is 25 plus b square. So 2 square is 4 by x square plus minus into minus plus c square. So that is x square. Then plus 2ab. So 2 into 5 into 2 by x. So 5 2s are 10 into 2. So what I am doing? 2 into 5 into 2 by x is 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 by x. 20 by x. Then minus b and c I have to take. So this is b and this is c. 2 into 2 by x, that is 4 by x into x. So it is 4x by x. It is 4x by x. I can cancel x and x, so it's only 4. Okay, what I did for 2bc? I did 2 into 2 by x into x. C is x, right? I cancelled x and x, so only 4 is left. Okay, this is what I've done. So only 4 is left. Then minus 2ca. So what is c over here? X, and a is 5. So 2 5s are 10, 10x, 10 into x, 10x. The last step in this sum was I have to do subtraction because these two are of same variable. Constant numbers. 25 minus 4 is 21. Okay, then plus 4 by x square. Can I multiply or minus or subtract with anything? No. Okay, so 4 by x square plus x square plus 20 by x minus 10x. Okay, thank you.